counterclockwise with the right hand. You do the anti-spin to the back position. And then in the back position, you plane break down to this long arm pendulum, right? So then you can plane break back up, and there's your 3D cap, right? You are doing across the bottom on the vertical plane, and then horizontal across the bottom, and then horizontal. Across the bottom, horizontal. Okay, one thing that helps in my experience is if you just shorten it a little, even if you don't wrap it fully around your hand, just holding up on the leash a little bit so that it's a little shorter can tend to make it a little easier to do in the beginning if you're still struggling. And also if it's shorter, there's less of you that it can hit. If your hand were too low, right? See how I'm hitting my shoulder when my arm is that low? It could be that the arm is too low. It could be that you're losing the plane of the poi, right? So if my plane is too lazy here, right, I hit myself as well. It could be that you don't have enough control as you're coming around the turn from the outside pedal, right? So I might be good from here to here, but as I'm coming from this pedal to the front, I might be losing control and hitting myself. I'm trying to exaggerate so you can see the hit. So it might be that your fingers aren't giving you enough specificity in the plane control as you're coming around one of the portions of the turn, either from the back to the side. So I don't know at what point it's hitting you. My guess is it's a combination of all of those. One thing that might also help is more rotation with the wrist as you're coming around the turn, because that can make up for lack of fine motor skill with the fingertips. We're counterclockwise, going from back to front, plane break across the bottom. So the 3D cap would be like this. Horizontal, then plane break. Then plane break to horizontal, then plane break to the side. Plane break to horizontal, plane break to the side.